let us learn English of Standard First, and name of the lesson is Traffic Rules. Dear children, today we are going to learn about the traffic rules. Here you can see a picture. This is a road, isn't it? The cars are moving and these pedestrians also moving. Okay, and here you can see different signs that we can see on the roads or roadsides, isn't it? And this is a traffic signal. Dear children, we will learn today about the different rules of traffic signals. Okay, see here, you can see a traffic on the road. What is the meaning of traffic? Traffic means the movement as of vehicles or pedestrians. Pedestrians means चलने वाले लोग. Vehicles means वाहने. बराबर? Okay. The movement of vehicles or pedestrian through an area or along a route. Same route पे vehicles और चलने वाले लोगों को बोलते हैं ट्रैफिक. Okay, you can see the traffic in both the pictures. Here you can see so many vehicles. Here also you can see so many vehicles, and here you can see the pedestrians too. चलने वाले लोग भी हम लोग इधर देख सकते हैं. इसको बोलते हैं traffic on the road. Okay, now see this. You are familiar with this picture, isn't it? This is a Ludo game. You like to play this game, isn't it? Yes. Here when you play the Ludo game, what you use? You use dice. Okay? Isn't it? 2 to 3 members you sit together to play this Ludo game. And you follow some rules. Isn't it? Without rules, you can't play this game peacefully. There are some perfect or fixed rules that you follow. All of you follow that rules, isn't it? After that you start to play, so that you play happily and peacefully, isn't it? Dear children, how we said that we have to follow some perfect or fixed rules while playing games that may be outdoor or indoor games. While playing cricket also, you follow some rules. Maybe it is any type of game, we must have to follow some rules. Isn't it? Like that, here also we have to follow some rules while moving on the road, while moving in the street. Got that? That is nothing but traffic rules. These are called as traffic rules. Dear children, this is your textbook page. This is the Unit 7 first lesson. That is traffic rules. Page number is 63. Okay, here we can see some rules are written that we will go through one by one. Okay. Traffic rules. First, listen, learn and read aloud. Listen, सुनना है. Learn करना है. And read aloud, जोर से बोलना है. आवाज निकाल के बोलना है. Listen, learn and read aloud. Okay. When you go out into the street in your vehicle or on your feet. See here, when you go out into the street in your vehicle, see this is a vehicle, or on your feet. आप जब भी बाहर जाते हो घर से स्ट्रीट में inside from your vehicle use करते हो, otherwise on your feet means चल के जाते हो. Then you have to follow some rules. Okay, here also when you are walking on the road, you must be on the left side of the road. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे रहने का, हमेशा अपना लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से ही चलना है. ओके, रिमेंबर दिस. Look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure and fine. Here this is a traffic sign. It has 3 colors: red, yellow, green. Isn't it? These 3 colors are there. Now look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure and fine. अपने आप को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए एंड वी हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स, अपने को रूल्स फॉलो करना है. ये गॉट दिस. सो दैट वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दीज ट्रैफिक साइंस. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रेड कलर? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ येलो कलर? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ग्रीन कलर? लेट अस लर्न. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. See, if you want to cross the road, if you want to move from this side to this side, see here this girl is crossing the road, then what to use? You have to use this black and white zebra crossing. This is called zebra crossing because the zebra, that animal, has black and white strips on its body, isn't it? It is called as zebra crossing. Got this? And remember, we have to use this zebra crossing while moving or while crossing the road. You can see the traffic signals here and here, correct? And in that we can see when the red light comes, the vehicles they stop. See here, this girl on cycle and this car, they stopped because red signal is there and she got the pedestrian, they got the green signal. Remember, whenever the red signal comes, then you have to stop, and when you get green signal you can move. Okay, this we can see in this picture. See here, observe this carefully. This car is moving. When the red signal lights, it stops, and when green comes, it moves. The meaning of green is go. The meaning of red is stop. See, again red signal comes, it stops, and when it turns to green, it moves. See, got this? Okay, then what is the meaning of yellow light? You know now, red means stop, green means go. Okay, what is the meaning of yellow? Yellow means be ready. Okay, we will see here traffic signals for vehicles. Okay, see, this is a red signal. What is the meaning of red signal? If a signal changes to the color red, stop at once. Don't go ahead. See here, red signal is on. Then the meaning is stop. Stop at once. Don't move. Okay, these are for vehicles. Okay, remember this. Red means danger. It is dangerous, so stop at once. Don't go ahead. Okay, and the next is yellow light. What is the meaning of this? Get ready. Be very careful when it turns yellow. See, yellow means get ready but don't move. Wait. After yellow, you will get a green signal that tells us go, move. Now green signal, when it turns green, it is safe to go. See, this is a green signal, means you can walk or you can move, you can go further. Obey the rules without much fuss and reach home safe. You are precious. Yes, dear children, how you follow the rules while playing the game. Okay, without any discussion you follow, isn't it? Like that only here also you have to obey the rules without much fuss. Without asking any questions, you have to obey the rules of traffic because you are very precious. आपकी जान बहुत कीमती है. Got that? Because on the road कभी भी एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है. So if you obey the rules, जो भी rules बोले गए हैं उनको आप लोगों ने फॉलो किया तो एक्सीडेंट होने का चांसेस बहुत बहुत कम है. सो आप सेफ रह सकते हो एंड योर लाइफ, आपका लाइफ बहुत कीमती है, ये हमेशा याद रखना है. ओके, look at the word and enact the proper actions. Now you know the meaning of yellow signal, red signal and green signal, isn't it? Now you have to act what you will do when you observe the yellow signal. Yes, enact means you have to show me the action. Here you can see, get ready, don't move. Yes, you are ready to move. When you will move? When the signal gives green light, you will move, isn't it? Here see the action. You go ahead when you see the green light. And when you observe the red signal, what you will do? Yes, you will stop at once. You will not move. Okay? You will not move a single step. Got this? You have to remember these three colors along with the meanings. Yellow means get ready, and green means go or move, and red means stop. Okay? Now here some more signs I will tell you, and whichever important for you, that only I will tell you. The meaning of this is stop. This you know, red signal, and here it is written stop. And the meaning of this signal is school is nearby. Okay, small children, they are moving here and there, so this signal tells us that school is nearby. And here you can see this cycle is prohibited, means not to take cycle in this area, in this road. Cycle is not allowed. Got this? Rest all these for vehicles. This tells us not to horn. These are all for vehicles that you will learn later. See, dear children, here you can see two roads or a single road with a divider. Here these vehicles, they are following the rules, they are obeying the rules, they are obeying the traffic rules. So we can see here the smooth movement, isn't it? All are safe here, they are moving smoothly. Can you see this? Okay, like this only we have to obey the rules. Listen and write. See here, WATCH. This is watch. Okay, you have to listen first, then write. Watch. Go. 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 Stop. 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 Without. WITH with OUT out. So this is without. Okay, without. Feet. 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 Rules. 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 Once again I will read this so that you can listen properly. Watch. Go. Stop. Without. Feet. Rules. Next. Street. 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 Green. 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 Green color. Red. 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 Yellow. 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 Yellow color. Walking. 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 Chalna. Use. 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 Once again. Street. Green. Red. Yellow. Walking. Use. Okay. Next. Crossing. 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 Your. 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 Ready. 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 Okay. Crossing. Your. Ready. Next is make as many smaller words as possible from the words given below. Here two words are given. See, big words, motorcycle and auto rickshaw. Big words are given. Here what we have to do? We have to make small words. We have to take the alphabets from these words and we have to make small words with meaning. Okay, see, I will show you first one. First we will take motorcycle. Okay, we'll write here MOTORCYCLE. This is the spelling for motorcycle, isn't it? Now we will use some of the alphabets and we will make new words, smaller words. Okay, see, I will take here O R. O R. See, O is there, R is there. O R means or. Then T O. Two. Two letter words. First we will try. Then M E. Me. M is there, me, E is there, isn't it? Then M Y. My. Got this? Next T. Here T O Y. Toy. See, T, three letter words. One more. R O O T. Root. Here these are two letter words. This is three letter. This is four letter word. Okay. Now we will go for 5-letter words. M O T O R. Motor. Okay. Next one. C Y C L E. Cycle. आपको समझे? We have to use the alphabets from this big word. ये वर्ड से अपने को अल्फाबेट लेना है, बाहर से कुछ भी नहीं लेना है. इसमें से ही अल्फाबेट लेके नया नया वर्ड्स बनाना है. ओके, you can add some more to this list. We will move to auto rickshaw. See, this is auto rickshaw. We will write again the alphabets A U T O R I C K S H A W. Okay, we will try to write. See, you know that there are, you can make 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words. Okay, see, we will go A U T O, auto. Second, R I S K, risk. Next, H A S, has. W A S H, wash. Next, 2-letter word I S, ease. C A T, cat. Okay, like this you can add some more. C A R, car. Right? O R, or. T O, to. So many words we can make. I have done only 6. You add some more to this list. Okay. Describe any vehicle of your choice in 2 or 3 lines. Describe means कुछ तो भी थोड़ा बोलना है, थोड़ा सा लिखना है आपको. आपको कौन सा व्हीकल पसंद है उसके बारे में 2 to 3 लाइन्स लिखना है और बोलना है. ओके, I will go for this. See here the picture. I am going to describe this vehicle. What is this? This is a train, isn't it? I will describe this train in 2 to 3 lines. We will write about the train. My favorite vehicle is train. It consists of an engine and a number of carriages. बहुत सारे डब्बे रहते हैं ना ट्रेन को, उसको बोलते हैं carriages. It runs on tracks. ट्रेन किधर रन करती है, मूव करती है? ट्रैक्स के ऊपर. ट्रेन रोड के ऊपर नहीं जाती. राइट? ट्रेन runs on tracks. There are 2 types of trains. 2 तरह के ट्रेन्स होते हैं. नंबर 1, पैसेंजर ट्रेन. जो पैसेंजर को लेके जाता है उसको बोलते हैं पैसेंजर ट्रेन. गांव में जाते हैं ना हम लोग, we go to a village, we go to our town, that train is called passenger train. Second is goods train. सामान लेके जाता है वो ट्रेन को बोलते हैं goods train. Okay, बस this much we have written. Like that, whichever vehicle you like, try to write about that vehicle in 2 to 3 lines. Got this? Write the name of each picture below it. See, come on, tell me. Identify this. What is this? Yes, truck. What we call this? Truck. See this picture? This is tractor. We use this in the field. What is this? Tractor. What is this? Come on, tell me. This is called tempo. Yes, what is this? You know, correct? Bicycle. What is this? This is bus. Double-decker bus. Yeah, this scooter, isn't it? This, you know, car. Yes, auto rickshaw. We say auto or we say rickshaw. Real name is auto rickshaw. What is this? Jeep. This, observe the picture. This is boat. It moves on the water. Yes, what is this? This is bigger than boat. This is called ship. It also moves on the water. What is this? You are familiar with this? Train. Very good. Yes. What is this? Plane. Isn't it? Aeroplane. See this? This is called bullock cart. You know, these are bullocks and this is cart. Together make bullock cart. You can see this bullock cart near village side. What is this? Yes, motorbike or motorcycle. Isn't it? Yes, dear children, here our lesson completes. Dear children, try to obey the traffic rules. Okay? Because you are very, yes, precious.